Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Windows data with Microsoft Azure Backup Vault, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore Windows data using Microsoft Azure Backup Vault, start by signing in to the Azure portal. Once logged in, locate the All Services section on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Backup and select Backup from the results. Next, find and select your Backup Vault from the list of available recovery services. In the Backup Vault menu, click on Backup Items. Under Backup Items, choose Azure File Share or Windows Server based on your select the specific backup item you want to restore. Now, click on the Restore option available at the top of the page. In the Restore configuration settings, choose the desired restore point from the available backups. After selecting the restore point, specify whether to restore the data to the original location or a new location. If restoring to a new location, provide the path where you want the data to be restored. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied with your choices, click on the Restore button to initiate the process. You will see a notification confirming that the restore operation has been started. The status of the restore will be available under the Jobs section, where you can monitor its progress. Once the restoration is complete, you will receive another notification. Finally, navigate to the specified location to verify that your data has been successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.